Hi everyone. So today we will solve this problem on array, that is largest element in an array. So we have given an array, right? And the task is to find the largest element and return it. Okay. Now let's understand it with these examples. So if the array is 187, 56, and 90, and we can clearly see here 90 is the largest element in this array. So we need to return 90 from here, right? So 90 will be our output. Now the second example is 5, 5, and 5. So 5 will be the output, right? Because all elements are same. So 5 will be the maximum element in this array. Now the last example is an array with having with one element only, right? So if any array is having only one element, that element will be the maximum in that array, right? Now I hope you have understood the problem. Now just try to think about the solution and we will then code it. Okay. Let's suppose we have array. Okay. We have this array 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, and and 1, 8, and let's take one more, that is 6. Okay. We have indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What is the size? Size will be 7. Okay. Now what will be the output here? So our output will be 8, right? Because 8 is the maximum element here, right? So this will be our output. Okay. Now what solution we can consider? So what I'm thinking about, I'll initially take one variable, that is max, right? I'll take first element as my current max. Okay, I'll consider first element is is the maximum element till now, right? Okay, so till now we have got the maximum element, right? Now then I'll start a loop from the second element, and I'll check whether the current element, that will be 3, right? So if 3 is greater than my max or not, I'll check whether 3 is, okay, let me write it here. 3 is greater than my max or not. So what is my max now? That is 2. So this will be evaluated as true, right? Because 3 is greater than 2. Then I'll just update my max as current element, that will be 3, right? Now, in the second iteration, I'll go to the third element. I'll check whether 4 is greater than current max. What is the current max now? Current max is 3 now. So this will be evaluated as true. In that case, I'll just update my max here, right? Now I'll move to the next element, that is 5, right? And I'll check whether current element is greater than my max or not. So my max is 4. Okay, so this will be evaluated as true. In that case, I'll just update my current max as 5. Okay. Now I'll just move to the next element. I'll check whether 1 is greater than or not with my than my current max. What is my current max now? That is 5. So this will be evaluated as false. In that case, I'll not do anything, right? Because 1 is not greater than 5. So I'll not do anything, right? I'll just move to the next element, that is 8. I'll check. I'll do it here. I'll check whether 8 is greater than or not than my current max. What is my current max now? That is 5, right? So here. Okay. So this will be evaluated as true. In that case, I'll just update my current max, that is 8. Okay. So this is my current max now. Now I'll move to the last element, that is 6. I'll check whether 6 is greater than my current max or not. What is my current max now? That is 8. So this will be false, right? So because 6 is not greater than 8, so I'll not do anything. So and here the loop ends, and at the end of the function, we will just return the current max, right? So this will be our output. As we can see here, this was expected from the solution. Now, I hope you have understood the solution. Now we will just code it. Okay. Okay. So what we had discussed, so we will take the current max as the first element of the array. So that will be array of 0. Now I'll start a loop from the second element, right? and I'll go till the end of the array. So array dot size I plus plus, right? Now I'll check whether current element. So this will be my current element if it is greater than my current max. If that is the case, I'll just update my max with the current element, right? And this will run for the entire array for each element. And when it comes out of the loop, I'll just return the current max. Okay, so this will be our solution. Now just try to run it. Okay, my output is coming as 19 and the expected output was 90s, was 90, right? Okay, now just try to submit it. Okay, all test cases have been passed. I hope you understood the problem and the solution. In the next video, we will try to solve the problem that is finding the second largest element in this array, right? Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.